Hey guys, this is for those of you that have chosen the college path on this game of life. And so before now, you should have received the numbers 1 through 6 that will tell you what percentage off you get on your college loans. So they came through grants or scholarships. And so, say for example, we had number 5, which is 50% off. That's what we're going to use for today. This right here should have been on top of, and you can make it smaller, that there. So, just tell us which one that was chosen for you by a spinner, and then put that bar there. So let's go with 50% off. We're going to look at slide 13. So here, I'm not sure why the dollar sign's there. It just says education level. So say that we got a bachelor's degree, or we need a bachelor's degree to do the job that we have. So bachelor would go there, and you can type in degree. And then the cost of the education goes here. So we're going to go back to slide, I believe, 7, and see the cost for a bachelor's degree. An average cost to get a bachelor's at a regular university, Baylor, I believe is higher than that, but anyway, would be $80,000, and this box should be on top of that by now. So we're going to go and look at here, and I'm going to plug in the cost of the education. The education was $80,000. Okay, so next you go to your percentage off. Remember, we said that the percentage off, look here, that dollar sign, was 50%. Okay, I'm making it easy for today's example. So the next line tells us how much is reduced from the cost. So if I actually wanted to do the math on this and it wasn't quite so simple, I would take my 80,000 and I would multiply it times that percent. But remember, we can't multiply with the percent sign, that decimal's got to move to the left twice. So here, I'm going to do multiply by, get it back over there. There we go, 0.5, and you can put the 0 there if you want to. Multiply those out, and that will give you the discount of that. And if you do the math, that would be 40,000 off. Here we go. So the next line is B minus D. So you're going to take your original cost and subtract the discount to get this one. Well, that one's easy to do. I don't need a calculator. It's going to be 40,000. And then line F tells you the percentage that you pay, the interest on that loan that you're borrowing on this 40,000. So here it says you take your 20 years, you're going to multiply that times this percent, take that answer, divide it by 240, and then multiply that by line E. Now I'm actually going to do the math on this. I'm going to bring this up and I'm going to do it so you can see me. I don't have a pen and paper here. So I'm going to take 20 years. I'm going to multiply it times this percent. Remember, this percent needs to be moved over twice to the left. So I'm going to multiply that times decimal 0.54. And I'm going to hit equal. I'm going to take that and I'm going to divide it by 240. That's how many months that I'll be paying interest on this. That gives me this number here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to multiply that times line E. Well, line E we said was 400. So I'm going to do times 40,000. So $180 in interest, that would go here. Then on line H, I would add E and G. So E is the 40,000. Whoops. E is the 40,000 plus, oops, plus the 180. This thing's not wanting to play fair. Plus 180. And those two totaled up goes here. So that would be what, $40,180 that I would have to pay for that loan. On this one, I would now take that 40,800 and divide it by 240 to get this one. And that's going to give you how much you spend every month to pay back that loan. And so you can do the math on that one. Okay, I hope this helps you do yours today. I will talk to you again soon.